In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the resource calendar in Microsoft Project. If you've ever had a team member who works a different schedule or a machine that's only available on certain days, adjusting the resource calendar is the right way to make your plan accurate. We'll do this in the Microsoft Project desktop app. Start by opening the Resource Sheet view. On the ribbon, select View, then choose Resource Sheet. This view lists every person and piece of equipment defined in your project, which makes it the ideal place to manage working time for a specific resource. Find the resource you want to adjust. This could be a worker or a machine. Double-click the resource's name to open the resource information window. In that window, click Change Working Time. This opens the calendar window where you control availability. At the top, make sure you're looking at the resources calendar, not the overall project calendar. This is important because changes here should apply only to the selected person or machine. Next, go to the Workweeks tab. This tab lets you define the typical weekly schedule the resource follows. Click Details to set the specifics. In the Details dialog, choose the days of the week you want to configure. This can be the full Monday through Sunday range or just certain days. For each selected day, set the working time. For example, you might enter 8 o'clock a.m. to 12 o'clock p.m. and 1 o'clock p.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. to reflect a standard 8-hour day with a lunch break. If the resource doesn't work on a given day, say no weekends, mark those days as non-working. This tells Microsoft Project that the resource is unavailable, and tasks assigned to that resource will not be scheduled during those times. When you're done, click OK to confirm the Workweeks details, and then click OK again to close the calendar window and apply your changes. A few key reminders. Resource calendars override the project calendar for that specific person or machine. That means any task assigned to the resource will follow the hours you just set, even if the project calendar is different. If you don't see any change in task scheduling after updating the resource calendar, check two things. First, whether the task itself has a task calendar applied that could be taking priority, and second, whether your project calendar or related settings are overriding resource availability. That's it. With the resource calendar set correctly, your schedule becomes more realistic and conflicts are reduced automatically.